it's Jenna Fox. Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. It's nice to meet you. You may have seen me on your TV screen before, and if you haven't, you're seeing me now. You know your girl loves to work out, so we're back with another mini workout video, and it starts now. So we're working on booty all summer, or at least we're trying. So we're gonna do some squats, and I'm sure everyone knows how to do squats, but if you don't, this is how I do my squats. I put my hands above my head and I squat down. And I bring my butt in, and then I squat down. And I bring my butt in, and I squat down. And I bring my butt in, and I show you like that. And that. Down. If you really want to feel that burn, you can hold it for a few seconds. Hold it. You can also bounce with it. That really gets the burn going. This one I call the butt push-up. So you're gonna, or you can call this the birthing. What you're gonna do is you're gonna lay on your back. You're gonna pick your heels up. Usually you can have a weight here, and then you're just gonna go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then you can hold it there and you'll really feel it in your glutes area. Down. Oh, that hurts the tits. Now this one I call the hi-yas because it reminds me of a karate kick. I give my workouts their own name. So I put my hands above my head and I go up and then down, up, down, up, down, and then you really push up the booty. So this is what it looks like from the back, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then you switch sides, so hi-ya, down, hi-ya, like that. So that's my mini workout for today. Make sure you follow me so you can see more of me.